Hello statistics student, this video I'm going to work on a question in exam 1 practice. So the one that I want to work on is question 16 that involve using StatDis. So do a similar question. So these are 15 data. So the first you want to do, instead of like typing them, because there's 15 of them, it takes a while to type them on StatDis. So what I usually do is I just copy it over and then do a copy, and then I open up Excel, just a blank Excel spreadsheet. Make it a little bigger. I can just paste it in. So now there's two ways you can paste it. You can paste it like that, but it would just be in one cell. You can also paste special, I think, and then paste it as text. Does it work? No, it doesn't work. So okay, so it's you paste it as text, and then you would go to data, text to column. Text to column. So do that, and then you tell Excel what it is between these data, and you say this they are delimited by comma, right? And then you check comma and then say next, finish. So it would be separated, all the data would be separated into lists of in the columns, but that's not what we want. We want it to be in a row. So you will do a no, you would do a copy, and then you would want to paste it in, let's say, paste in this new row, but you would transpose it. See how the transpose works? It will transpose into a column, and that's what you want to copy into StatDis. Now you want to copy, and then go back to StatDis and do Control V to paste it in. So if you have a large amount of data, this may be more, you might be able to do it quicker. If you have like 10 data, maybe it's faster to just copy it down or enter them one by one. So now you have to do that, then you will do a data. Oh, okay, what is the question? The question is find the first quartile, third quartile, mean, and all those. For mean, we want to round to 2 decimal places. So what you do is you want to explore data, evaluate number 1 column, and so that's what you have. 2.91. Median is 3.2. Mid-range is 2.9, etc., etc. So you can fill them up. So it's 2.91. Oh no, this is the mean. First quartile is 2.1. Third quartile is 3.5. Mean is 2.91. Median is 3.2. Mole we don't know, right? Because it doesn't show up. So what we do is you would do a show column editor, sort the data, and we want to be column 1 column 1, and sort it. And then you scroll through the data to see if there is any repeat. The only one that repeat is 3.2, it seems like, right? So all these are unique data, only 3.2. So you go back and you say the mole is 3.2 because we see it. The range is this. What do they say the range is? The range is 2.2. 2.2. And interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. It is 3.5 minus 2.1. So that is 1.4. To find how many outliers there is, you can calculate it. So what you can do is you calculate the Q1 minus 1.5 of IQR, and then Q3 plus 1.5 IQR. But they're not asking for the boundary, so they're just asking for how many outliers. So the quickest way to do is actually do a modified box plot. The box plot that shows up in the initial page is not a modified box plot. So you do modify box plot, and notice if there's any marker. If there's no marker, that means there's no outliers. So then you would say 0. Submit. Okay, so that's how you do question 16.